So class, in this video we will do the properties of multiplication of integers. Fine. So let's see the first property, that is closure under multiplication. It means if you are multiplying any two integers, suppose a into b, okay? It means if you are multiplying any number, let's suppose a is minus 2 and you are multiplying it with b as 3, so you will get your answer minus 6, and minus 6 is also an integer, so you can say that multiplication comes under closure. If you are multiplying two numbers, so you will get an integer. Okay, so now the second property, that is commutative property of multiplication. It means if you are multiplying a into b and you will interchange the number b into a, you will get the answer same. A into b is equals to b into a. So let's take a as 3 and b as 4. So here b is 4 and a is 3. So 3 into 4, 12. 4 into 3, again 12. So it also true for commutative property. Okay. So now next, multiplication by 0. Okay. It means if you multiplying any number with 0, you will get what? 0. Like 2 into 0, answer is 0. Minus 3 into 0, your answer is 0. So this is called as multiplication by 0. But in addition, if you are adding any number by 0, so we will get the number itself. So in addition, we call 0 as additive identity. Okay. Now in multiplication, we called 1 as multiplicative identity. Why? Because when you multiply any number by 1, you will get the number itself. So in multiplication, 1 is the multiplicative identity, but in addition, 0 is the additive identity. Fine. So these two questions are very, very important question. Okay, let's see the next one. Next is associative property. Okay, associative means now there are three integers. Suppose one is, let's take a minus 2. Okay, wait, a b c. So let's take a is minus 2. Okay, so a into b. So first you will put a into b. It means you will minus 2 into, suppose your b is 3 in the bracket, then into c. Suppose your c is 4. Now multiply all the number. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Minus 6 into 4, minus 24. This is your answer. Now let's verify for this side, a into b. So first you will write what is a here. We have taken minus 2 as a, so write minus 2, not in the bracket. Okay. Now next, into b into c is in the bracket. So your b is 3 and your c is 4. Now multiply 4 into 3, 12, and 12 into 2, 24, with sign minus 24. Both are equal, so you can say that it is also true for associative property of multiplication. Fine. And students, you can take any number. It doesn't depend. It doesn't need that that we have to take minus 2, 3, 4 and all. You can take any number. You can verify it by yourself. Okay. Now let's see the distributive property. That is the very, very important property. Distributive means something we are going to distribute, splitting something. Okay, like the question will be in the form of a into b plus c, then you will splitting it into a into b when we are going to open this bracket. Okay, so a into b plus a into c. Okay, suppose the number is 2, okay, into 3 plus 4. So what you can do, first you will multiply 2 into 3, then 2 into 4. So 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 into 4 is 8. So 8 plus 6 is 14. So this is how you will solve for the distributive property and you will get the answer. Now there is one question, why we are going to use these properties? Because these properties make our calculation easy. That's why we are going to use these properties. You will observe these things in the exercise. Okay, so let's do some questions.